Open Obsidian and locate the vault where you want to keep your journal. Once the vault has fully loaded, click the settings icon in the lower left corner of the window, then select Core Plugins from the list. Scroll down until you find Daily Notes and toggle it on if it isn't already enabled. That small plugin is the engine behind everything we're about to build, and it's what will let you create a new dated note instantly each day without any manual setup. Close settings for now, but keep Obsidian open. You'll want a dedicated home for all these entries, so open the File Explorer panel, right-click anywhere inside it, and select New Folder. Name it something clear like Daily Notes, then press Enter. Now head back to Settings, click Daily Notes under Core Plugins, and set the new file location to that folder you just created. This tells Obsidian exactly where to stash every new journal entry, keeping them organized and easy to find later. While you're here, choose your preferred date format. I'd suggest something like WOKWOKYMMDD, because that sorts chronologically in file explorers and makes searching by date a breeze. If you already have a template you like, select it as the template file, but that's optional for now. Close settings again and let's create your first entry. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Type Open Today's Daily Note and select the command. Obsidian will generate a new note titled with today's date and place it in your Daily Notes folder. This is the moment everything clicks. You now have a blank canvas that's already timestamped and ready to fill. Start by adding a heading called Today's Goals, then list the most important tasks you want to accomplish. Beneath that, create a schedule, heading for any meetings or appointments, then notes for ideas or reminders that pop up during the day. Add a journal heading for personal reflections, wins for completed tasks or achievements, challenges for obstacles you run into, and lessons learned for insights you pick up along the way. Finally, add tomorrow's priorities to capture what needs attention next. That structure gives you a complete daily framework without having to think about what goes where. Now, here's where your journal starts connecting to the rest of your vault. As you record events throughout the day, link related project notes by typing 2 square brackets around a project name, like project name. The same goes for meeting notes, research, or any reference material you've saved. These internal links turn your daily entries into a living network. You can click from a journal entry straight into a related project note, or open a project note and see every day you mentioned it. This is one of the most powerful features of Obsidian, and it's what transforms a simple journal into a complete knowledge base. Throughout the day, keep updating that same note. Check off completed tasks by adding dashes, or using whatever checklist format you prefer. Obsidian doesn't have a built-in task manager, so I like to use plain bullet points and mark them done with an X. If something important happens, add it under the relevant heading. The beauty of this workflow is that you don't have to decide what to write or where to put it. The headings guide you, and the date is already set. At the end of your day, take a few minutes to review the entire note. Fill in any gaps, add final reflections under journal or wins, and check that tomorrow's priorities are clear. Obsidian saves automatically every few seconds, so there's no need to click a save button. Just close the note when you're done. The next morning, open your daily note again, hit the command palette shortcut, and run Open Today's Daily Note once more. A brand new entry appears with the current date, ready for you to repeat the same process. Over time, you'll build a complete journal history, a searchable, scrollable timeline of your work, your habits, your projects, and your personal growth. You can review past entries to see how your goals evolved, track how often you hit certain tasks, or revisit lessons learned from months ago. Consistency is the secret here. Even short entries, just a few lines about your top wins and biggest challenges, become incredibly valuable when they stack up week after week. One common mistake I see people make is trying to write perfect, lengthy entries every day. That rarely lasts. Keep it simple and practical. Focus on what's genuinely meaningful, your top 3 goals, 1 or 2 observations, the single most important lesson you learned. If you miss a day, don't sweat it. Just start again the next morning. The template approach we set up, those fixed headings, makes it easy to pick right back up without deciding what to write. You can also take this further by creating a weekly review note that links back to each daily entry from that week, or by using the Data View plugin to automatically aggregate tasks and reflections across all your journal notes. But even without those extras, what you've built right now is a solid, repeatable daily journal workflow that will serve you for years. If you found this helpful, save this video or bookmark these steps so you can revisit them anytime. Your personal history is worth capturing. Start today and watch your vault become a true reflection of your life and work.